day, everyone. Welcome to Tarish TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Also, hit the bell icon so you can get notifications. Thank you.
Left APC because of lawlessness, Obaseki said. The Edo State Governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, has said that lawlessness on the part of some leaders of the All Progressive Congress informed his decision to dump the party. Obaseki had in June defected to the People's Democratic Party (PDP), where he secured the party's ticket to prosecute his re-election. The governor, who spoke on Saturday in Benin City, the state capital, during the flag-off of the campaign, said he would not return to the lawless way of the APC, no matter the provocation. Addressing a crowd of supporters at the campaign venue, the governor said, "We left them because of their lawlessness. We will not, no matter how provoked, resort to the same lawlessness. I want to thank you and assure you that God has given us the victory." In his address, which was monitored by our correspondent on the AIT, Obaseki promised to transform Edo State, adding that such transformation will lead to transformation of the country. The governor said the PDP considered him worthy of the governorship ticket as reward for his record of performance in the past 4 years. According to him, the decision to put the people first above any other interest cost him the governorship ticket of the APC, saying that his getting the PDP ticket to return the race was a miracle. He said, "The mandate that has been given to us is simple. What you, PDP, are saying as a party is we like what you have done in the last 4 years. Please go back and continue and improve on what you have done. In the last 4 years, we put our people first. Nothing else matters more than our people, even though we put us in trouble. But we didn't care, because the voice of our people is the voice of God. Because we were working for our people, God Almighty has supported us. That is why we are here today, because what has happened to us in the politics of this country can best be described as miraculous. We stood up courageous, believing in God and believing in our people, believing in ourselves. We fought, and God searched our hearts and saw that we were doing what for him and people of Edo State. The governor promised to unveil his re-election program. Wow, that is this is coming from Obaseki during his flag off campaign in Benin City. Now, let's see how people feel about it. Obaseki is so happy to be in PDP, as he said that the people of PDP, the PDP people, see him as a worthy man, and that he has done a lot in Benin, in Edo State. They want him to continue from where he stopped. Guests said the greatest lawlessness in the People's Democratic Party. It's unheard of for a man to join a party within 3 weeks and claim the party's governorship ticket. What about those who have been making sacrifices to nurture the party all the while? That is the greatest lawlessness. PDP my foot. Wow. This is a comment from guest saying PDP, my foot. They have the lawlessness party. This person said, Babs said, you will still leave PDP. Time shall tell. Well, it is a free market. It is a free business. Politics is a free business. You can come in today and leave tomorrow. If he likes, he leaves. He likes, he stays. Another person said, Olu said, Obaseki, you left ABC because selfish, greedy, betray, and surely you have died politically. Wow. This is another comment from Olu. We have different comments from different people. Let's know what your thoughts are concerning this news story as you drop them in the comment section. Thank you for listening, and I will see you on the other news.